Hello all, I am here to demonstrate about how to prepare mind map by using Paplet. By using Paplet, we can create easily the mind map for our classes. So we can get the students' ideas, we can make it in a visualized form. So mind map can be used for education, right from pre-KG to higher education level. It can be utilized in any language. It can also use it in distant learning mode, that is virtual mode. So this is the model of mind map created by Poplet. So 1 million students and teachers are using this Poplet from 130 countries. So these are some models of mind map. Okay, now let's see how to create account and how to create mind map for our online classes and regular classes. Right. For that you have to go to sign up. Okay, you have to click sign up. If you click sign up, you can get the page like this. You can enter first name, last name, and you can enter your Gmail password. Okay, and you can click the terms of service and you can sign up. So this is the way you can create account. So I have already created the account, so I just go for login. Okay, and sign in with Google. So my Gmail id, my with the use of my Gmail id, I have already created this Poplet account. So this is the Poplet workplace, right? See here is a create new Poplet. So in free version there is a one Poplet. By using the single Poplet, we can create any number of mind map. Okay, we can use all the features in free version itself, right? So I have already created this Poplet for the subject inclusive education. Let me click over here. Yes. So this is the mind map I have already created. See here, this is the mind map for the types of disabilities for the paper inclusive education. So we can insert text, we can insert picture, we can insert pictures, right? We can insert video also. Okay. So now let's see how to insert pictures and how to draw the mind map very easily. Let's see. For that, I just go back to home page. Okay. So let me delete this Poplets. Okay, so I already saved this Poplet. Now for demo purpose I'm going to delete and I'm going to create a new Poplet. I delete this Poplet. Yes, so you can find the window like this. So this is the first page. Now we can create new Poplets, that means new mind map. So for that you have to click new Poplet. So then you can name your Poplet, for example inclusive education. Okay, so I have already prepare this. So the same topic, and I choose the color also and click create your Poplets. Yes, now you can get the page like this. First step is you have to double click on anywhere. Okay, so you can get this box. By using that box we can type. For example, the topic is types of disabilities. So I can type here. So I can change the border color. See here, I can change the border here. So for that, you have to click this rectangular box. So this is a text. You can select small, medium, and big type of text. Okay, you can get the alignment also, and this is the color. Okay, and you can insert picture. Okay, so if you have already downloaded the picture, you can go here, or if you want to insert any URL, you can go here. So you can insert video by using this YouTube, and this is the Vimeo. If you have Vimeo URL, you can use this picture. So you can create branches. If you click anywhere here, you can get the tools like this. Okay, now I want to add to the left side. Okay, for the types of disabilities, so I can type physical disability. Okay, so I want to insert the picture related to physical disability. For that you have to go this gallery, like, okay. So I have already installed the picture physical disability. Okay, so I can insert here. Yes, another type is mental disability. So I can click here, so I can add the branch to the right. So if you click, it will appear like this. Okay, now you can add mental disability. Mental disability, if you want to add picture related to mental disability, you can add. Okay, so I have already browsed, I already saved the picture in file. Okay, so mental disability I can add here. So click open, and you can get the mental disability. Okay, so if you click, you can get the different type of boxes. Okay, so you can move like this, you can move the whole picture. Okay, otherwise if you want to move this picture, you can move like this. If you want to highlight, you can drag and you can highlight the important point. Okay, yes. So the physical disability can be further classified into two types, that is sensor disability and motor disability. For that I can create like this. So I can click here. Yes, sensory disability. Yes, sensory disability, I have to add picture. So I just go for my file. I can select sensory disability and I can add here. Okay, so physical disability can be classified into two types, sensory disability and motor disability. So I can start from here for another branch, motor disability. Motor disability. Okay, so I have to add a picture for motor disability. So this is a motor disability picture, so I can add it here. Okay, so like that you can add any number of branches. So this is the main branch. Okay, so I can add to the bottom. Neurological disorder is another type. Neurological disorder. Yes, so you can move the picture like this, you can select and you can drag and to the app. Okay, so you like that you can move the picture, mind map. Okay, you can maximize and you can minimize. Okay, so like that you can create any number of branches. For that, simply click the box. Okay, so this box shows it's a color and text. It's a text color, and this is a picture or a video. You can insert like this. Okay, so like that you can add many number of branches. So you can also increase the shape of this box. If you hold and you can drag, you can get a maximum size and you can place it here. Okay, so like that you can maximize any number of pictures. So while taking class, you can also highlight like this. So it's a mental disability, so you can show the picture like this and we can minimize this. So this way we can create many number of branches for the same concept. Okay, for demo purpose I just cut this at point. Now I can go to view all. Okay, so this is the entire mind map, and we can go for home page and you can see the public applets. So once you click the public applets, so you can see the different type of applets created by public. Okay, so you can get the applet based on your need. Okay, for example health conditions. So this is the mind map created by someone. Okay, so you can use it for your subject. This is the featured applets where you can find many number of mind maps. Okay, so we can get the mind map related to our topic. Okay, if there is available, you can use it for our classes also. So you can get entire mind map here if you click. So we can't edit, just we can show to the students. This is already prepared by someone. Okay, you can maximize like this. So this is a classification of animals. So so this topic can be created in an elaborative and interesting manner, right? So this way Poplet can be very useful for education. Okay, now let me go for home home page. right? So this window shows that I have created this topic. Okay, so this is shared with me. Here you can also have collaborators. For example, suppose you are creating this mind map, so you can get the share option. On right side you can get the share option. Okay, if you click share option, you can add collaborator. So their email ID you can type here, so you can invite to collaborate while you preparing this mind map. So they can also collaboratively add some kind of pictures or text, so it will get in a collaborative form. Okay, you can suppose if you want to share this mind map, you can also copy this link and you can share to anyone. Okay, here if you want to change the background color, you can change here. Okay, if you click here, so you can find different colors, so you can change the background and you can find setting option. So make you can make new purple. Okay, and you can show name badges also. If we click here, so the user ID will be appear here. So this is the name badge. If you don't want, you can hide the name badge itself. Okay, and finally we can print plus PDF export and we can save the file, and we can add some more option. So we can insert video related to this topic. For example, let me add video in this box I have already ordered. Now let me show how to add this video in this physical disability topic. For that we just click this YouTube icon. See this YouTube icon. We click, the pop-up window will appear. So I have already selected this video for the physical disability. I just copy this ID and paste it here. Okay. So the video is attached here. So like that we can insert a video for the topic. So the mind map consists of text, picture, video. Okay, so it will create interest and it will attract the students towards the topic. Hope this video is useful for all the teachers and students. Thank you.